Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope so you are fine and well at home. Today I will teach you about Oxford Progressive English, Unit number 2, Lesson 4, and it's on page number 14. Okay, now open your book, page number 14. First of all, look at this picture. What is this? This is a Fiza's family. Okay, can you tell me how many members are included in Fiza's family? Yes, five. Five members are included in Fiza's family. Fiza, her sister Sara, her brother Ali, her mother and her father. Okay, can you tell me what are they doing? First of all, you can look Fiza's mother in this picture and she is reading a book. The next one is Fiza's sister Sara. And what's she doing? Yes, she is cutting a cake. The next one is Fiza's father. Can you tell me what's he doing? Yes, he is drinking tea. And the next one is Ali. Ali is a Fiza's brother and he is kicking a ball. And the last one is Fiza. Can you tell me what's she doing? She is flying a kite. Okay. Now again look at the picture and tell me about Fiza's family. Now move on exercise A. Write about Fiza's family. You have given example. The example is Fiza is a girl. Okay. Now you have given a table. Tell me dash is a boy. Who is a boy? Fiza's brother. And Fiza's brother name is Ali. Ali is a boy. The next one is dash is a girl. Tell me, who is a girl? Yes, Sara. Fiza's sister Sara is a girl. The next one is woman. Who is a woman? Fiza's mother is a woman. And the last one is man. Who is a man? Yes, Fiza's father is a man. Okay, good. The sort exercise you have given the next slide. The first one is Ali is a boy, Sara is a girl, Fiza's mother is a woman, and the last one is Fiza's father is a man. Good. Now again look at the picture and tell me what are they doing. The next exercise is exercise B. What are they doing? Again look at the picture. The first one is Fiza. Tell me what's she doing? Fiza is flying a kite. Good. The next one is Ali. Tell me, what's he doing? Can you tell me? Yes, Ali is kicking a ball. The next one is Sara. She is cutting a cake. Good. The next one is Fiza's mother. And Fiza's mother is reading a book. The last one is Fiza's father. And Fiza's father is drinking tea. Good. Okay, now move on the next exercise, exercise C. And the exercise C is use these words to say what the people in the picture are wearing. Okay, the words are trousers, shirt, cap, suit, dress, shorts. आपने क्या करना है, आपने अगेन पिक्चर में देखना है और पिक्चर में देख के मुझे ये बताना है कि पिक्चर में किस मेंबर ने क्या पहना हुआ है. You have given an example. The example is Fiza is wearing a dress. Now you tell me trouser. आप मुझे ये बताएं कि ट्राउजर किसने पहना हुआ है. Fiza's mother is wearing a trousers. The next one is shirt. Who is wearing a shirt? Yes, Sarah is wearing a shirt. And the third one is cap. Who is wearing a cap? Look at the picture and tell me who is wearing the cap. Yes, good. Ali is wearing a cap. The fourth one is Fiza's father. And he is wearing a sword. The next one is dress. Who is wearing a dress? Yes, Fiza is wearing a dress. And we have already given example. Fiza is wearing a dress. And the last one is shorts. Who is wearing a shorts in this picture? Tell me. Yes, Ali is wearing a short. Good. Okay, again look at your page number 14. Do exercise D on your book, page number 14. Now we have completed this lesson. Hope so. We have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.